Hi, here's how to cook sinigang sa miso with maya. First, you should have this garlic, onion, tomato, ginger. You also have mustasa, and then this green chili, like for sinigang. And this one is optional, the labanos, because kids loves labanos. And you should have this sinigang na may miso mix. This one is the miso powder or miso paste. You should have this, and also sugar, and you should have this fish sauce patis. Okay, and most especially, don't forget to have this maya. So I will only cook like half of it because I'm not cooking much for the kids. So, and then I'll be cooking another variant for liempo later. Okay, so we're going to start cooking. First, just put some oil in the pan. Then put the garlic. And then put the onion together with the garlic. Now the tomato. Just mix it. Then put the garlic. So mix it. Then now we will add the miso powder, the fish sauce, and we will put some water. Simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, so we've already added the miso paste, water, and the fish sauce. So we have to simmer, wait for 10 minutes, and then later we will put the maya in it. Just need to cover it. And now we're going to put the maya. It's already here. And wait, simmer for another 5 minutes. And then later we're going to put the mustasa, the labanos. I'm also be putting now the sinigang sa miso mix. Okay, here it is. I'll be putting the sinigang sa miso mix. Okay, I'm going to put now this chilies and the labanos. And finally, we're going to put now the mustasa. Okay, here goes. And wait to simmer for another 2 minutes, and then you can serve it with a hot rice. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and just wait for another menu that we're going to prepare. See you guys. Bye.